Hey guys, welcome to today's art video. So today I just wanted to do a quick little photo study thing of my cat Gremlin. I pretty much just looked at a photo that I took of him the other day and drew what I saw. If you guys watch my DIY videos, you've probably seen him every once in a while make a guest appearance. Most of the time it's Uni, just because he is a lot more outgoing, I guess. Gremlin is definitely the shyer of the two. We ended up adopting him about 11 years ago. I think it was 2007. My husband and I and a friend, we were just driving around, and for whatever reason, my husband, he was my boyfriend at the time, decided to go down this random country road thing that nobody really drives down, but we drove down it and we ended up seeing a box that was turned over on its side, and we saw a bunch of tiny little kittens around it. So I immediately made him pull over and we jumped out, and all the kittens got scared and ran into the box. So we kind of just scooped them all up and took them, basically. It was very obvious that they were dumped there. And then after we got back to the house, we realized that they all had pretty bad cases of ringworm, which actually is pretty easy to take care of. It just looks really gross. So yeah, we ended up nursing them all back to health. And actually the next day my husband went back to where we found the cats, because he was convinced that when all the sickly kittens ran back into the box, he saw another one that looked a little healthier run into the wooded area. So he went back over there. He actually found another black kitten that was the same age, walking on the side of the street, meowing. Basically, obviously looking for his siblings. So he ended up catching him and rescuing that one too. So anyway, we ended up adopting out the cats, and I ended up keeping one. I kept Gremlin, and I named him Gremlin because he was probably one of the worst ringworm cases. So he had absolutely no hair, so he looked like a little hairless gremlin thing. So yeah, that's how he got his name. But he is the most lovey-dovey cat that I've ever had. He is like a teddy bear for me. When I go to bed, he'll climb under the covers and snuggle up against me and let me hug him like a teddy bear. And he will follow me around and lay with me wherever I am, whatever I'm doing. He's actually probably made more appearances in my traditional media art videos, because I'm sitting at my desk with my arms on the desk drawing, so he takes that as a personal invitation to come over there and lay on them. I guess this turned into a story about Gremlin and how I got him. As you could see when I started this, it's actually in the corner of the whole canvas that I started. I initially was going to do a little portrait of all of my animals, and then I ended up only really having time to finish Gremlins because I went into way more detail than I meant to. So maybe with the other two, I'll do the stories on how I got Hobbs and how I got Uni. Here is the finished drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like. If you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. I post art videos every Tuesday and DIY videos every Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later this week. Bye!